Hello, this is a quick video on how to replace the fuel flap door on a Jaguar XJ, x350 or x358 type. My one was been caught or something before I bought it and broken just there. You can see, seen better days. I looked out on the internet, couldn't find any real videos or descriptions, so I've had to go myself. I've got to the point where I've got the new door in place, so I thought I'd just do a quick video to show everybody how it's done. It's quite simple really, it takes a bit of time, but anyway. First thing you have to do really is strip out the boot in order to get to the actuator, which is this plastic bit here. And on the end of the actuator there is the emergency release catch, and inside that catch there's a small tab, as you can see there, and clipped into that tab is the cable which pulls the actuator inside the body, and this is the actuator. So that releases the fuel flap. As you can see, it's got like a bullet end on like a bike cable. Anyway, so you can open up the door of the flap, and the actuator goes in this slot here. Now, it's got a funny mechanism in it. But essentially, it's a turn. It's a quarter turn. It's got a little keyway there, and when it's in place, you put a screwdriver underneath it and pop it upwards, and then you can pull the whole body of it out. Obviously, you have to disconnect that end first in order to get that out. Once you've got that out, you then obviously you need to jack the car up. You have to take the wheel off, remove the wheel arch liner. There's a couple of torque screws that go into the edge of the bumper, and then there's a couple of like plastic riv nut things that go either there and up there, and then there's two 10mm bolts, one there and one there. Once you've got those out, you pop it out, and you can get access to the back where the filler neck is, and located on the edge of the filler neck there's a 10mm nut which you need to undo that, and then obviously disconnect the overflow drain pipe, and then you can pull the whole body of it out, and then essentially, you know, to put it back together again is just a reverse of what I've described. By that point you should really have an idea of what you're doing. Hope it's helpful for everyone, and all the best.